This is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show how you can check the data usage on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, then the route splits. So if you would like to see your Wi-Fi usage, open the Wi-Fi page, go for the more settings, and here's the Wi-Fi data usage. On the other hand, if you would like to check your cellular or mobile data, usage statistics or information, enter the mobile network category of settings instead. Then open the data usage page, and here you have the data usage through SIM1 and SIM2 respectively. And well, if you'll have any data usage, unlike me, you will be also able to check the data usage by app section like we did for the Wi-Fi or non-operator data usage. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.